Hi everyone, this is Sumit here. Welcome to yet another episode of Digital Marketing Leaders of Tomorrow. So, today we have Ravin Sethi with us. So, we will feature those digital marketing interns in our community who have successfully completed the 8 weeks of digital marketing internship program. So, last week we featured Dr. Fahima Sethi and her lovely daughter, and today we have Ravin Sethi with us. Ravin is from Delhi, and Ravin has spent 10 years of his time as a BPO professional and Genpact,
Yeah.
and he loves managing teams and solving customer problems. And he is currently running his own retail store from 2016, and he started his career with GE Capitals as a process associate and spent around 15 years there. And before he started his own venture, and he's born and brought up in Delhi, and his hobbies are singing, and he says that he can sing at any time, anywhere in the world. So that is, I welcome Ravin Sethi to the program. Welcome, Ravin. How are you doing?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sumit. Thank you. I'm doing good. Thank you so much. How are you doing today?
I'm good. I'm good. So we have. I hope that you have successfully completed the program, and now you are a budding digital marketing professional yourself. So I would like to know about from you a little bit about the program that you have attended from InnoMind Digital Academy. So how did this digital marketing internship has helped you personally to become a better version of yourself, if at all it helped you? And what did you learn specifically? And were you able to do things your own? And what is the digital marketing for you? Because I've read your bio, and you're specified that now that you are a full-fledged digital
Mhm.
marketer and you are looking for opportunities in digital marketing as a digital marketing executive.
Yeah. I would say that to start off, I would say that I was fortunate enough to join this digital marketing internship with InnoMind Digital Academy. I was running my own retail store of ladies garments, and I was searching out for something, through which I can, generate more leads, more customers for my business. And even if I can manage to help my others as well to generate leads and customers for themselves. So I think when I then heard about this Mind Digital Academy and attended a webinar, and Sayed Nurul was taking the webinar, who was the lead trainer for Mind Digital Academy. I attended that webinar, and I found it very useful for my business, and I stayed away. I decided to join that internship program. And after joining the digital marketing internship, I think I became more confident, and now I don't shy away from presenting myself in front of my customers and my audience. And I learned that possibilities are endless, and all you need to do is to be consistent, and and have a success mindset. Uh, I think in whatever you do, all you need to have a success mindset, as Sayed told us about us in the beginning of this internship program. And I believe in that. You need to have a success mindset in whatever you do, be it your professional career, be it anything. Like if you want to do anything, you need to first of all you need to be passionate about it, and then you need to have a success mindset. Then only you can succeed. And with the help of all the tools and methods that we have learned in this internship program, I think I can now I think I can grow my business to the next level. And even if even if I can get a high paying job as well. Yeah, so that helped me a lot. This internship program has helped me a lot.
Excellent, Ravin. And you have been chosen as one of the top 10 performers in the July batch, and many congratulations once again for that. So you're saying that it helped you to
Thank you so
evolve
much. Thanks.
as a better human being and a better professional as well. So can you walk me through your journey as a professional, starting from GE Capital up until now?
Yeah, so I started my career in 2001. Uh, After completing my graduation, I was searching for a career, which can help me to grow in life. And this BPO industry started around 99 and 2000. So,
Right.
and I heard about the G Capitals, which was a multinational company. So I decided to go for the interview with G Capitals, and I was fortunate enough enough to manage to crack that interview and join G Capitals in 2001. I started as a process associate. It was a financial services uh, project that I had to join. I started off well. Initially, there was some challenge because of the odd shift timings that we had, because we had to work for Australian clients, so they're different time zones. So initially, it was a bit challenging, but then later on, gradually, I started enjoying it. And I think the whatever you do, if you're enjoying doing anything, so you can do much better if you're enjoying whatever you're doing. So I enjoyed all my 10 years working with uh, G Capitals, and learned a lot of things. Uh, the best part about G Capitals is that they give you a lot of opportunities to learn. It all depend on you how you grab it. So there's always an opportunity to learn new things, and I learned a lot of things which help me, which we know which are even helping me right at the moment as well. And this digital marketing skill is something which is an added advantage to my career. So I can do much better now.
Great, great. So you're saying that digital marketing is a skill which is an add-on advantage for you as a professional. So how this digital marketing internship
Yeah.
has helped you professionally, which has allowed you to achieve your goals? I mean, you might be having these professional goals, right? So the COVID has been bad for all of us. We were in a very bad lockdown, and people have lost jobs. And how do you see the situation? And also how do you see the digital marketing which helped you to achieve your goals in your career? And also explain to me about some
Yeah.
one.
So yeah.
Yeah, please explain to me the one project which you enjoyed in this digital marketing internship program, which you think will help you in your future career.
Yeah, so yeah, we all know that we have been hit by this pandemic, which was not expected. Everything was going on really well with my business. I started my business in 2016, and as I say that you have to enjoy whatever you do. So I was enjoying it. Because here also I need to interact with customers, every day. I was enjoying it a lot, but then we hit by COVID, and it has badly affected my business. And I started losing my customers because of this COVID thing. So I was looking out for something, uh, so that I should not lose my customers. Because if you're running a retail store and you're losing a customer, then you have to lose your business. So I was looking out for something, uh, some skill, which can help me not to lose my customer, and uh, my business should grow. So I think most of the businesses are moving to a digital platform these days, and and I think this is the best time to learn this skill of digital marketing. And with the help of the digital marketing, I think I can grow my business, by generating a lot of leads and a lot of customers for my products, which I'm selling. And even if my business is not going well, the skill that I've learned in this data marketing, I can get into a job as well, a high paying job. There are a lot of jobs, data marketing jobs available in the market, so I can go for that as well. And during this internship program, I got a chance to work on a project of promoting, online courses for, my digital academy. And and I also learned that how can I promote my products to Facebook ads, Google ads, and LinkedIn, and all that stuff. So there, a lot of things which I've learned during this internship program, and which can help me to grow as a professional person. Yeah.
Great, great. So you're saying that it is very important for all of us to have multiple skills going forward. You have your career as
Yeah.
a BPO professional, then you are a sales professional, then you started your company, your business, and then now you are a digital marketing professional. So you cannot bank on one thing going
Right.
forward. You need to have multiple skills going
Yeah.
forward.
Right.
Even if with one thing fails, then you can bank on the other one, which will help you to grow as a grow a career and stabilize yourself as well. So tell me about
Yeah.
the experience in nutshell in this digital marketing program. What are the few things which you will take away from this program, which has helped you as a person?
I think the best part of this digital marketing internship was that you can uh, earn while you learn by implementing the tools, and strategies taught by the mentors during this internship program. And while promoting the online courses, and, on online courses of digital marketing internship program, I had the opportunity to earn some amount, as a commission by referring someone to get themselves enrolled into this digital marketing internship program. I had a great experience. I this the way this internship program is different from other online courses is that in other online courses they just provide you the video format. You have to just go through the video format, and it goes over your head. There's no one to help you at the time of when if you're stuck somewhere, there's no one to help you out. But during this internship program, we have been given a live projects to work on, live assignments to complete, and you get in touch with your mentors at any point of time through email or through WhatsApp. So they can help you out. So that's the best about this digital marketing. Because you need to have some challenge whenever you're learning something. You need to have some challenge in front of you, then only you can learn. That's what I believe. And there was one more opportunity to earn by falling in top 10% batch. So I'm fortunate enough to fall in that category. I performed well during my internship. During all the 8 weeks of internship, I submitted my assignments on time, and I'm glad that my hard work paid off.
Amazing, Ravin. And I've been noticing you in the internship program where you were like a leader and you were supporting others as well. And that is the sole purpose of this program,
Thank you.
that we have a community of interns who will help each other out. So explain to us about that experience of interacting with others. Like we gave you opportunity to lead from the front. Like we have a the weekly leadership program. We have a buddy system, and we have a WhatsApp and Facebook community where you can get help from the other interns as well. No, if we are not available
Yeah.
there, then there can be others who can help you out if they can. So explain to me about that experience in the internship program.
I think it was a great idea, which was I think introduced by you only. To have intern leaders. Uh, because when you get an opportunity to help others and become a leader, so it gives you more confidence that to perform. And I was I was given this opportunity to become an internship leader. uh, and I tried my best, and I'm lucky enough to approach me for everything. Whenever they got stuck anywhere, they approached me, and I was fortunate enough to help them out. uh, and it I would like to thank mentors the way they taught us everything, all the tools, all the strategies of digital marketing. I think that works for me, and that's how I managed to help others during this internship program. Yeah,
Wonderful. So the leadership program that we introduced actually helped people to get out of their shell, and I've seen the people who were shy
right. Yeah,
before were are now enthusiastically coming forward for interviews and making their own videos and writing blogs, and they have come out of the shell actually, basically. So have you noticed that
exactly. Yeah.
when given an opportunity, people actually evolve themselves. I mean, if you are challenged, if you are pressed, then they can bring out the best in them, actually. The potential they have, they might not realize when they are actually doing a job or doing a routine stuff, actually, right? So when you're challenged, the best thing comes out of you.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I said. Whenever you are you throw a challenge in front of anyone, you have that pressure, to do that. So I think it was a great opportunity, great idea to become to make internal leaders, which gives them a confidence to perform. So it was a great idea, I think. Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. So, and also we had the graduation ceremony where you were the main coordinator with Sachika, and was so wonderfully done. And I mean, we had a lot of
Thank you.
people, performing their talents, and speaking out. Poems were entered, songs were sung, and it was such a beautiful experience. So, tell me about that, and how did you bring out and manage to bring the best out of these people?
I think we have a lot of talent in everyone. I believe that everyone has got a hidden talent in them. So it's just that you just need to find out and you know uh, just talk to them so that they can come up and perform. So that's what I did. I love organizing these kind of functions and these kind of activities. I did that during my professional career in with G Capitals. I myself used to perform on stage, organizing events as well and performing as well on stage. So I'm not that kind of person, who shy away from uh, coming out in front of audience and sing or say something. So that's what I did. I spoke to, I first of all I spoke to everyone, whosoever is interested in performing in this one activity, fun event, and people. I'm fortunate enough, people came to me and personally, and they said that okay, we want to perform, and then whosoever was ready to perform, we did practice. We practiced it for quite couple of days and successfully managed to do that event. Yeah.
Yes, great, great. I mean, many congratulations to you and all the participants. And I could see that your
Thank you so
practice,
much.
that they have all performed so well. So, lastly, what is
Thanks.
the three things that you would like to take away from this program? The three positive things from this program that which you like the most, or which you like to take away from this program.
Well, I would say if I have to talk about the three best things that I like the most about this data marketing internship program is first of all, one of the most important factor of any internship or any training program to become successful, is the mentorship. So I must say that both of the mentors of InnoMinded Academy, Sayyid Nurul and yourself, are well versed with all the concept of data marketing, and they push and support you push and support during the full internship program, help every intern to overcome all the hurdles, and they have successfully completed the internship program. Second thing, I would say that the content or syllabus of the internship program, it was excellent. It was explained in such a easy manner simple and easy manner that even if you have a zero knowledge of data marketing, you can grab it easily. So that was the best part. And lastly, last but not the least, the live assignments and the mentorship sessions in an internship WhatsApp group for discussion was the third thing I like the most about it. Yeah.
Great. I mean, that Sayed has, given a very simple explanation to all the complicated
Yeah.
topics in digital marketing, and I think that is the icing on the cake. And he has really worked hard to, present it in
Right.
such a
Yeah.
manner that even a layman can understand, who doesn't have a
Exactly.
doesn't know a thing about digital marketing. So congratulations to him for
Yes.
presenting it in such a nice manner. So, what is the way forward
Yeah.
for you from here? What would you like to do in the future of in your future?
Uh, well, I'm running my own business. So because of this COVID, my business has got badly affected. So I'm trying to, generate more leads for myself, more customers for myself through, getting my business online, first of all. And if even if that it doesn't work out for me, uh, because I'm now well trained in data marketing with all the tools of data marketing. I think I would go for a job in a digital marketing field. Uh, in fact, I've already started applying for a few jobs and gotten the word on that as well. So hopefully, if I don't, my business doesn't come back on track, I would definitely go for a job and build my career in data marketing field. Yeah.
Oh, I wish you all the best in your future endeavors, Ravin. And it was so
Thank
nice
you.
talking to you. It was refreshing, and you are well spoken. You talked about
Same
your
here. Yeah.
journey in your life and your professional career, and also your experience in digital marketing. I wish you all the best, and thank you so much for joining us for this program. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And I would like to again thanks you and Syed for mentoring us. It was a great experience, and I will recommend everyone to go for this internship program at my Digital Academy. And all the best to both of you for your future. Yeah,
Thank you so much,
thank you.
Ravin. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Most welcome. Bye. Bye.